Have you ever thought that banana peels can help you to promote hair growth? Trust me, in today's video, I have to show you how you can use banana peels to promote hair growth. This is amazing ingredient which can make wonders to prevent hair fall, to make your hair to shine, to make your hair soft, and to prevent hair loss. So if you don't know that banana peel can make wonders, please, this is the best video for you, because you have to know other ingredients which you can mix with banana peel to come up with the best oil which can make wonders for your hair treatment. So I don't want you to cry starting from today that you'd like to promote hair growth, your hair doesn't grow fast, your hair is always falling. So you just need to know how to make this remedy at home. Trust me, when you learn how to make this, my dear, you will like my channel more. But before we go to our preparation, my dear, subscribe right now if you have never subscribed, because if you don't subscribe, you'll never have a chance to watch my video once again. It means you have to subscribe, you turn on the notification bell so that they notify you when I upload a new video, guys. Okay? And don't forget to share this video to your friends after completing it, and leaving a comment in the comment section. And why not, don't forget to give a like to this video. So right now, without talking a lot, let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you how to use this remedy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda, to share this video to your friends after completing it, and of course to leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Okay? And remember, liking our video also helps it to move so fast. Remember, garlic, you need only 5 pieces. Don't forget to remove the outer parts and cut your garlic into smaller pieces. Trust me, this home recipe will help you to prevent hair fall, to make your hair soft, to make your hair to shine. It also helps to promote hair growth, and if you like to stop itching, my dear, you also need this home recipe. So keep watching, guys, up the end, because at the end I'll tell you how and when to use this home recipe, guys. But remember, you need a blender to proceed with this home recipe preparation. After blending, I want you to get coconut oil. You are going to add only 4 spoons. Remember guys, we are still proceeding with our preparation, so you are supposed to keep watching until you finish this video. And I told you at the end I'll tell you how to use this home recipe. So guys, keep watching and don't forget to share this video to your friends, to leave a comment, and of course to give a like to our video guys. From that, make sure that you mix your ingredients very well. Now you are supposed to cook your remedy for 30 minutes. Don't exceed 30 minutes. Remember, you need a saucepan. You put a cloth, you insert your bottle which contains your home recipe, and you pour water as you have seen what I have done right now guys. Guys, I'm requesting you, please, after completing this video, share this video to your friends. You can share the same video on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on TikTok, to your friends in different groups guys. Please share the video up to more than 20 people. Just help us so that we reach more audience after completing this video. Allow your recipe to cool. You have to make sure that after cooking it, it's supposed to cool down, okay? So allow it to cool and then proceed with your preparation. But from that, after cooling, you're supposed to filter your home recipe. We are soon completing our preparation, but from that, add for me 20 drops of vitamin E oil, only 20 drops. Vitamin E oil, you can get it in supermarkets, so you add only 20 drops, okay? We are soon completing our preparation guys. Don't lose hope, keep watching up the end. Remember, subscribing is our policy. As you see, this is our remedy which we have prepared guys. I hope you have learned the procedures, the ingredients which you need to finish your home recipe preparation guys. This remedy will shock you after using it at least for some period of time. Before I tell you how to use this home recipe, my dear, please subscribe if you have never subscribed, okay? make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. And of course, make sure that you share this video to your friends. This is the way you are going to use this home recipe, but allow me to take you back during the preparation, okay? So make sure that before using this home recipe, you have to keep it for 1 month. Those 4 weeks in a cool, dry place before you use it, okay? Make sure that you keep it for 4 weeks before using it, okay? But don't use it before keeping it for 4 weeks, okay? So after 4 weeks, as you see our home recipe, I want you to apply it on your scalp and the same time on your hair. So massage your scalp at least for 3 to 4 minutes, okay? From that, leave this remedy to stand on your hair for 1 hour, guys, just for 1 hour. So from that, I want you to use shampoo and normal water to clean your hair and the same time your scalp, okay? So you can repeat the procedure at least 2 days in the week. You can make it, or you can use it Monday and Thursday or Tuesday and Sunday. Only 2 days in the week. Trust me, when you do it for more than 2 months, my dear, it will be your strong remedy ever for hair growth. This recipe, when it comes to preventing hair fall, making your hair soft, and making your hair to grow fast and longer at a high speed, my dear, you like me more, okay? So why not subscribe, give a like this video, share this video to your friends, invite your friends to our YouTube channel. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Feel free to make this recipe at home and you love Coach Uganda more. Bye-bye.